We'll guide you through how to install the ChatGPT extension for Chrome. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store by typing Chrome Web Store into your search bar and hitting Enter. Once you're there, you'll find a search bar at the top left corner of the page. Type ChatGPT extension into this search bar and press Enter. You'll see a list of extensions, so look for the one that's specifically from OpenAI, as it's the official extension. Click on it to open the extensions page. There, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on this button, and a pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension in the pop-up, and Chrome will begin the installation process. You'll see a small notification at the top right of your browser indicating that the extension is being added. Once it's installed, you'll find the ChatGPT icon in your Chrome toolbar next to the address bar. If it's not visible, click on the puzzle piece icon, which is the Extensions button, and pin the ChatGPT extension to make it easily accessible. Now you can click on the ChatGPT icon anytime you want to start a new conversation or get assistance directly from your browser. It's a handy way to have ChatGPT available at your fingertips without needing to visit the website every time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.